Hello everyone. Today, let's embark on a journey to the lush tropical regions of Asia, where millions of coconuts are grown and harvested every year. But this report isn't just about numbers, yields, or plants. It's a vivid story of the people who cultivate them. These farmers, humble, steadfast, and deeply connected to their land, have cared for each coconut tree, generation after generation, awaiting the harvest that will provide for their families. The coconut tree isn't just an industrial crop. It's become a part of the culture, tradition, and life of the people here. For the people of the Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, and other countries, the coconut is a symbol of resilience, tenacity, and an ever-growing spirit. People across Asia have been growing and caring for coconut trees for centuries. In some communities, the coconut tree is known as the tree of life, because every part of it has a use. The trunk can be used as building wood. Leaves are woven into hats, baskets, or thatched roofs. Coconut water is refreshing, and the meat is an ingredient in food or cosmetics. This versatility gives the coconut not only economic value but cultural and spiritual significance to many. Imagine each coconut tree towering up to 30 meters, reaching into the blue sky to catch the sunlight and sea breeze. To harvest coconuts from such heights, farmers must risk climbing up the slick, tall trunks, a challenging job that requires skill and expertise. Asia is the world's powerhouse for coconut production, supplying up to 80% of the global demand. The Philippines, Indonesia, and India are the top three producers, followed by other nations like Thailand, Vietnam, and Sri Lanka. Each country has its own methods of coconut care and harvesting, yet they all share one thing: a love and commitment to the coconut tree. In the Philippines, for example, people view the coconut tree as a vital part of their economy and culture. In Indonesia, coconut trees are intimately tied to every coastal village, serving as the primary income source for many families. Coconut production here is more than just an industry. It's a cultural heritage and a unique aspect of rural Asia. Farmers care for coconut trees not only for financial reasons but to uphold values passed down through generations. Coconut trees can thrive in harsh conditions, but high yields and quality require careful attention. The process begins with selecting the best seeds, carefully chosen for their resilience and productivity. The soil must be loose, well-draining, and nutrient-rich. Once the ideal seeds and soil are chosen, the trees are spaced 6 to 8 meters apart to ensure each has room to grow and access sunlight. During growth, farmers face natural challenges such as pests, drought, and storms. Each stage, from young sapling to maturity, requires dedicated care. If there's a dry season, they must water regularly. When pests attack, farmers need to implement control methods to protect their trees. In many Asian countries, the coconut harvesting process remains traditional. Farmers will use ropes or hold onto the trunks to climb, cutting each coconut and carefully lowering it down. However, this process isn't simple. The tall, slick trunks demand both skill and physical strength to navigate. In some areas, technology is helping, with machines like climbing tools and cranes that reduce the risks of high climbs, especially on taller trees. However, not all regions can afford or access this machinery, as costs are high and rural areas may not be suited for such tools. Once harvested, coconuts are sorted by size, ripeness, and quality. High-quality coconuts are selected for processing into products like bottled coconut water, coconut oil, or coconut milk. Smaller or substandard coconuts may be used as animal feed or in handmade products. Processing and storing coconuts after harvest is critical to ensuring product quality for consumers. Modern production facilities maintain strict quality control from initial handling to packaging and transport. For Asian farmers, coconut farming is not just a job, it's a way of life. Their real-life stories reflect their hard work and persistence. Many families have bonded with the coconut tree across generations. From grandparents to grandchildren, they all share the same passion for coconut farming. Coconut trees may survive storms, but farmers aren't always so lucky. One rainy season can knock down many fruits, or a drought can lower yields. Yet, they continue, hoping for a bountiful harvest in the future.